We're kwa ground, my people. Kwa ground. Zinaka hivyo. They look like that. Like that. This is big. It's massive and it's beautiful. Tell me why you don't have it. Tell me why you don't have it. It's bigger than the usual mini pants. Yes, just an amazing one. See? Eish. Imagine this in your kitchen. This one. So this is enough for you. I am the plug. You're asking who is the plug? Yes, I am the plug. So this is the biggest, and I'm telling you it's big. When I say it's big, ni kubwa. Hii ukiwa na wageni, it will serve you well. Hata hii yenye iko before that one, it will serve you so well. Yani ni kubwa. And they're nice. Here are the covers. Let me show you the covers. They're so fragile. But they're nice. Ona. Na ni ngumu, by the way. It's glass, but it's thick. Even this, it's rubber. This is I don't think ni rubber per se. I can say ni kani silicone. Ile thick silicone yenye chomeki. So ziko hapa, the rest are here. Yes, so the box looks like this. It's a nice package, by the way. Very nice package. It's a big package. Package awesome. No. Original quality. Tokifanya hivi. Yani haina atiki layer fulani useme there is a layer. There is no layer. It is just no. Thick layer. It's just compact. Huwezi hata toa anything. It's awesome. Yani it's amazing. Unaona haina hata ati utasema end and start. Hakuna. But usiende kutumia na vijiko hizo mbovu za nini? Aluminium. Yes. Let's see what's here. What's the granite coating? Yeah. Read this. Granite performance of the all-natural coating has been further enhanced by adding natural minerals that improves the granite function of the coating. The coating also has high durability and heat conductivity, making it ideal for healthy food preparations. So anyway, those are those are the pots. Unaona hapo chini wamekuonyesha. So it comes in blue. It also comes in black. So this is the blue. So it's marked already. This is the blue one. Let me turn it for you. So kunyuma bado it's like the other one, the other part, but now this is the black one. The black part rather. So ni hivi. Mambo ni kama haya. Yep. So story ndo hii, habari ndo hii.